everyone, this time we will discuss the analysis results from our group, focusing on exchange rate stability and investment potential. Before diving into the main content, let me introduce you to our 5 team members. First one is Pratima Iswarum Kenanga, Tio Giting, Yang Jialin, Long Yuzi, and Alifa Ilma Navia. The United States and Canada, two of the world's largest and most developed economies, play vital roles in the global economic landscapes. This report explored key factors influencing currency movements, the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, and the policy response of both countries. Additionally, it evaluates the investment climate and highlights potential opportunities for investors in these dynamic markets. Main view of this dashboard show the comparison of the Malaysian ringgit against the US dollar and also the Canadian dollar. The total value of USD is 6.31 thousand and the total value of CAD is 4.78 thousand. Data analysis of the currency status of two selected countries by dashboard. So the dashboard compares the Malaysian ringgit against the US dollar and Canadian dollar, showing a total USD value and a CAD value likely to our data using Power BI. Line charts display the trends of USD and CAD over time, while the pie chart shows the annual distribution of USD. A bar chart represents daily total of USD and CAD. Pre-COVID-19 data analysis evaluates the economic condition and currency trends of the US and Canada before the pandemic. During this stable term, factors like trade policies, interest rates, and economic growth influenced currency value. The US dollar maintained its dominance in international trade, while the Canadian dollar showed resilience due to strong trade relationship. The stability reflected in low exchange rate volatility is provided a favorable environment for investment planning. Observing the trend of USD and CAD exchange rate during the pandemic, it's evident that both currency underwent substantial volatility. The USD exchange rate oscillated between 1.20 and 1.40 against the CAD, while the CAD exchange rate fluctuated within the range of 0.70 to 0.80 against the USD. The COVID-19 pandemic exerted a profound impact on the exchange rates of both currencies. A closer look at the comparison of international payments during the pandemic term unveils a significant decrease in the shares of USD and CAD. The USD share plummeted from 40.5% to 30.5%, while the CAD shares dwindled from 5.1% to 3.5%. This decline underscores the pandemic's substantial ramification on the global economy and the currencies involved. Data analysis post-COVID-19 indicates that the exchange rates of USD and CAD have stabilized following the COVID-19 pandemic. The trend graphs of the exchange rate depict that USD and CAD have returned to pre-pandemic stability levels. Additionally, the analysis of international payment shares reveals that CAD held 5.1% share in 2020, surpassing RMB 1.9%. However, CAD share remains significantly below that of the US dollar, 40.5%, Euro 37.6%, and Japanese yen 7.5%. Canada has been serving to enhance CAD utilization in international trade, especially with the key trading partners such as the US and the European Union. We will now discuss the potential investment opportunities in Canada. For comparison, CAD shares in international payments in 2020 reached 5.1%, higher than RMB shares of only 1.9% at the same time. However, CAD share is still far below the US dollar, 40.5%, Euro 37.6%, and Japanese yen 7.5%. Canada has sought to increase the use of 46 CAD in international trade, especially with its major trading partners such as the US and the European Union. Conclusion: By analyzing this visualization, teacher group can make smarter decisions and intention regarding investment. Thus, teacher group can gain insight to currency volatility to identify periods of high or low volatility in the US dollar and Canadian dollar, which may impact investment risks. Also grasps the impact of external events on investment and understands how COVID-19 pandemics and political events may affect exchange rates, helping to predict future market reaction. Finally, increasing the effectiveness of government policies and assessing the impact of Malaysian government policies on exchange rate stability that affects investment strategies. Before concluding the video, I would like to display our Gantt chart from week 1 to 14, outlining our project group timeline from start to finish as per the guidance of our instructors. With that, I will conclude this presentation. Thank you.